Oh no! What is going on? It's a garden tour 2022 for July. All right, boys and girls, here we go. We got our bees going. They are doing fantastic. And we got our zucchini. No zucchini yet, but it's coming along great. This part of the garden back here, it's a limited amount of sunlight, and it's the least amount of nutrients because I've never had anything growing back here, so it's doing really well. We've got some radishes here that bolted on me, and we got a little bit of cilantro over here and some more radishes that bolted again. So I tried growing radishes. It was a little too hot. Yeah, no big deal. I'm gonna give them another shot here real quick. About a month, 3 weeks in a month, or a month. I'm gonna plant a few more and see how they do. All right, we've got our tomatoes. This is our extra tomatoes here, and they are doing fantastic. For extra tomatoes, I think these are doing really good. So we've got green beans here, and we've been picking these and eating them. There's some beans right here. So they're doing really good here. Beans are doing excellent. And then we've got peas. And I got all these in pretty late, so they're a little bit behind, but they're just starting to pop now. And they're doing excellent. Look at this, guys. Look at all this lettuce. Look at the lettuce right here. This lettuce, I've been eating on this for a month and a half. I can't put a dent in it. I've been eating lettuce like a rabbit. I'm telling you, it's awesome. We got a little bit of red leaf lettuce, the Salanova green and the Salanova red. And I got some spinach down on the end. And you mix that in for a salad mix. I'm telling you guys, it's awesome. All right, we got flowers. We got some zinnias here. This is my second succession of zinnias, and they're doing good. We got some rain not too long ago and some wind, and it kind of knocked everything around a little bit. We got some stock and some status in here. We've got some rudbeckia, some black-eyed Susans here, and I believe those are Shasta daisies. And those are doing excellent as well. All right, now here we go. We're gonna show you the tomatoes again. These are doing excellent here as well. I've got 2 rows of tomatoes. I got row number 1, row number 2, and I've kind of got them mixed in. There's grandes, which a grande is just a Roma grande. So it's supposed to be like a real big Roma, which they are. We got some glamours, some better boys, some beefsteaks in there, and these guys are just exploding. So that's real good for us. Like I said, this was all in real late, so I'm very happy with how everything's doing right now. And I got 2 heads of broccoli here. Check these out. Check that head of broccoli out. Look at, that's my hand. It's as big as my hand. That's about as big as you're gonna get out of a grocery store right there. So we're gonna pick that guy real quick. And this guy here's a little bit behind, but looking good. And we got some cabbage. This is Carolina Reaper right here, and it's got some little reapers on it. It's coming along well. Look at that. Guys, this is going to be a bumper crop this year. I don't even know what I'm going to do with all this stuff. We're real blessed to have all this, and everything's turning out really good this year, especially for the first year on this big of an expansion. So we've got our cabbage here, and that's just eating cabbage. So I'll pick a head when I need a head and come out here, and I like to eat it raw. So I just come out, I'll cut a head off, wash it up, chop it up, and I eat it raw just like that. I've got some bell peppers here. We've got some jalapeno peppers. These guys are looking good as well. Here, look at this guy here. I mean, peeling back. Look at all the peppers in there. And we got some more bell peppers here. I counted my bell peppers yesterday. I have 64 bell pepper plants. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them either. But look at some of these guys. Look at some of these bell peppers right here. Look at that guy. This plant is like one of the smallest plants, and that pepper's as big as my hand. So, yep, everything's looking good here. We are gonna crank out some bell peppers. We've got some chilies here. These are cayenne peppers here, and oh, that's a weed. These are looking good right here too. And I plan on making some hot sauce with these, maybe dehydrating some, and doing a little bit of just preserving that way with these. And we got some bell peppers here on the end too. So that leaves me to my potato row. These potatoes are still green and lush. Right in the middle here, they're starting to die back a little bit on me, which is great. That means they're about done. And on the end here, these are still real green. So I'm gonna let them go. I'm not in a hurry for them. I'm gonna let them die back like they should, and I think they're gonna be great. That's what we did last year. We just let them die back. I actually dug a few and ate them early, and I really want to get in there and try one, but I gotta have a little bit more patience. I'm gonna wait another couple weeks probably here, and I might just have to go in there and dig a tater for dinner one of these nights and see how it goes. So, all right, flowers. Here we go, guys. You have all seen posts on social media with our flower stand. So we've got, look at these giant marigolds here. This is that's gotta be 3 foot tall all through here. And like I said, that wind kind of knocked a few down, but they're still growing strong in here. So we got, these are Inca marigolds. These are some larger, look at that. The thing's as big as my hand, and they're just packed. These things are awesome. And these are more giant marigolds here, and they're doing great as well. We've got zinnias. We've got so many zinnias. I don't even know what to do with all these zinnias, but they are just looking so awesome. And we've been putting these out to the road and letting other people enjoy them, and it seems to be working out well. We've got cosmos. See that cosmos there? Oh, these are so nice. We got more stock. We got more status. We got a hanging basket. I believe this is feverfew, and that's some real purple. Real purple. It's real nice color to it. Great filler. Great filler for your bouquets. So, okay, here we go. I gotta show you guys this. This is our Lysianthus, and it's starting to bloom. Check this out, guys. Looking excellent. We have sold a few of these as well. We have probably, here, check this one out. So we've probably cut more and enjoyed them in the house than we have actually put any to the road for sale. So I don't know, that's fine with me. But those are real long germination period. With those, we actually started them in middle to end of January. So they've been doing good. Our snapdragons are doing excellent. Don't even look at that volunteer tomato. But the snapdragons are looking excellent. See, and then our row of sunflowers. These are the Pro Cuts. There's a Pro Cut bicolor. There's a Pro Cut purple, and then a Pro Cut just a regular orange like this here. And these guys are doing excellent. Everybody seems to love them. They're about the perfect size too. The only thing I don't like about them is you get one cut on them, but you know, that's just the way it goes. So our glads, it's kind of funny. I guess I didn't realize this with glads, but they actually kind of bloom per the color. So like the yellows all popped early, then the pinks, and now I've seen the darker colors, the purples and almost the real dark reds and purples. They're just starting to come up now, and they're looking fantastic. Our dahlias are going good too. Look at this. Look at that color on that dahlia right there. These are a crowd favorite, let me tell you. The purples and the pinks in there with that. Oh yeah, look at that. And then we got some glads, some of the pink glads. These orange dahlias are really looking awesome too. And then you get some that are interplanted with the purples in there. That's pretty neat. And just a random rudbeckia and a random couple cosmos in here. Yeah, and let's see. Oh, here's the. So we got a pink glad, and then right next to it here, these are coming out real dark. So these are gonna pop this weekend. I'll update you guys on Instagram, Facebook. If you guys follow us along on there, we do post on there. We post a little bit of different things here and there, so kind of gives you an overall view of everything we got going on. All right, last row here, we've got just some oregano, so second succession of carrots. We got some turnips in here that I'm going to pick and eat, and some kohlrabi that I'm going to eat, and some more carrots that are in the weeds here, but I actually been checking on them, and those are looking awesome. Hey, check this out. Don't know if anybody's ever done this before, but see this right here? This is my raised bed that we used to have in the garden. I filled it with compost, and I planted these at the beginning of July, and I just put onion sets in there. I covered it with a row of Agribon and just made like a little hoop over it. They germinated within a couple days. These things, when I planted them, I should have took a picture of it, but they looked like they were withered up and crunchy. I mean, I didn't even think I was going to get anything to germinate at all, and I think they all popped up. So this whole bed is looking amazing. I don't know if I'm going to get anything off it this year, but we at least kind of proved out that you could take a really bad onion set and still get something to germinate off of it. So, all right, guys, that's what I got for you today. That's what we're doing. We've got corn coming in about 2 weeks, so I'm gonna do another corn video. We've got tomatoes coming, we've got potatoes coming, I've got green beans coming out my ears, and I don't even want to talk about the green peppers that we got going on. All right, guys, stay tuned. Lots going on. We'll catch you on the next one.